Hello guys, this is Lauren and today we are in the kitchen as you can see. Today I'm going to cook shrimp with coconut milk with beans and squash. How about that? So before we proceed to cooking guys, please, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and please hit that notification button so that when I upload something on my channel, you will going to be notified. So here's the video. So guys, let's start cooking. I have here garlic, ginger, and onions. So, and I have here a hot pan with hot oil. So I should have put the garlic, the ginger first, but I put the garlic already. So anyway, let's fry this one until they become golden brown. Because garlic guys is easier to burn than the ginger, so I should have put the ginger first. But anyway, we are here already, and after they become brown, you put the onions or the chopped onion and burn them, fry them or saute them. And I have here the bell pepper. It's a small bell pepper. Saute with it until the aroma comes out just before your nose. And I have here big shrimps. Look how big they are. I just cut the legs and the hairs. I don't know if I call it hair. And close it. Put the lid, but this lid is not the right one. And as you can see, the color changed already a little bit. And put salt. If you want, you can put the fish sauce, but it's not necessary to put fish sauce in this because the smell of the shrimps is already smell fishy. So yeah, just saute it without water. Saute it with the oil and the ingredients so that the fishiness of the shrimps will gonna eliminate. And then put the beans. If you have long beans, you can put long beans, but and I have here squash also. And guys, I put water in it already, and I'm going to cook the beans first before I put the squash because the squash is easily cooked. That's why let's cook the beans first. And just put enough water, just like what I did here. And let's wait till the beans somehow cooked. And because my pan was not big enough, there's no space for the what do you call this, the squash. So I put in this bigger pan. So like I've said, we just wait for the beans to cook. And now the beans are already cooked, and it's time to put the squash. Just like in cook until it's cooked. In cover until it cooked. So guys, I put already the coconut milk, but I use this coconut milk powder so that the sauce will become thicker, and it tastes better than the canned coconut milk. So just mix it. The squash are not yet done. They are already cooked, but it's not yet done. So I like the squash a little bit mushy. So, but I'm hungry. great honey to solve those squash. Must eat now. It's a little bit late and and this is tastes good, guys. You should try it. This is very good. Hale. So guys, tastes good. So guys, we are done cooking this very delicious shrimp with coconut milk. This is a Philippine style, although Thailand do this style also, but they have a different recipe. So, but this is a Filipino recipe. You can try it. It's very delicious, believe me. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do, and I will appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. And thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. And yeah, you can try this. This is very delicious, I guarantee. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. This is Lauren. I love you all. God bless you all.